You're going to start by taping off either shapes or sections of the area where your paper is going to go with the skinny masking tape. Using the tempera, you'll paint right on the table and put where you want that print to be. You can use your paintbrush to draw designs into the paint, or even your finger, kind of like your finger painting. You can mix colors right on the table or on your palette, either one works. Peel your tape away for clean edges and make sure that you didn't get any paint outside of the areas that you're printing. Line your paper up and then gently rub the back so that way all the paper gets contact, and pull. Wipe your table down with a clean, damp sponge and then dry with a paper towel for your next print. Place the tape for your next monoprint in whatever design you choose. Here I've decided to paint on almost all of the paper and just divide it into smaller sections. Make sure to completely clean your brush out if you're changing from one color to another and you don't want it to have any mix of the previous color in there. Draw your designs in with your finger or your brush, however you'd like to add those in, and then you're ready to peel your tape and make your next print. Line the paper up again, lay it down, smooth out the back, and you're ready to pull. Wipe your table very well with a clean, damp sponge and make sure that there's no residual paint on the surface. Clean your brush thoroughly so that there's no paint left inside. You can check it on a sponge or paper towel and then reshape the bristles. Dry your table off and make sure all trash gets thrown away.